Great images can make or break your book, whether it's covers, book interiors, or marketing materials like A+ content. Let me show you best free and legal image sites that you can safely use for your Amazon KDP books. Hi guys, I'm Matt from Publisher C, where Amazon KDP authors learn and grow together. In today's video, I'll walk you through free image stock sites and their licenses. But first, some good practices. Always double check the license yourself. I did my best to review the details of the licensing models for the sites that I'm showing you today, but it's your responsibility to take care of the license check. So always when you download any image, check if it can be used for business purposes. And always save the license details as proof for the future. It can be PDF with details of the license, or it can be a screenshot of license details from that site. So if Amazon asks you to provide any proof that you can use particular asset, you can provide them with that details. Also, don't use assets exactly as they are. We have to either modify them or, for example, combine with other assets to create some unique design. Last but not least, avoid using images in inappropriate or any offensive contexts. It is especially important when the picture represents some person or child or famous place. Just remember about these points and you will be safe. First site, Pixabay. Pixabay is a huge library of different kinds of media like photos, illustrations, vectors, even music and sound effects that you can freely use. So let's search for pirate ship and see what comes up. So we have a lot of search results of pictures, AI-generated content, real photos, vectors. So let's narrow it down. We can filter the results by, for example, only photos and only authentic content without any AI-generated media. As you can see, there are a lot of them. If you want to download any of them, we can just simply click download and pick the size, and that's it. Let's go back to the search results and filter by vectors. And if I want to use any picture, as I said, always double check the license of particular item. For each asset on Pixabay, there is a link to the Pixabay's content license, and quickly have a look at a summary. So we are free to use that content for free. We can use them without attributing the author. We can modify the content into new works. There are also some points that we have to be aware of. And I briefly mentioned that we cannot use the content in any misleading way. We cannot sell the items on standalone basis. So always modify or combine the assets into some unique design and you will be safe. Next page, Rawpixel. It contains different kinds of media as well, such as images, videos, designs, wallpapers. Let's focus on images and search, for example, for president. And here, as you can see, there are some vectors and pictures, but also pictures of real presidents of United States. Let's briefly talk about it. When I open the filters, as you can see, we can filter the designs by editorial and non-editorial ones. If we pick editorial ones, please be aware not to use these pictures in your commercial works, because if it is marked as editorial, it means that it can be used for news and events related articles, non-commercial blogs, but we cannot use them for free in commercial aspects. So to be safe, just filter non-editorial and let's pick file type JPEG. Open that one and you can see that it is marked for us free for personal and business use, which is safe for us. We can also view the business license summary of Rawpixel. This is a full license text, but at the top of the page there is a summary of the business license, which tells us that we can use it for free, and we also cannot resell the assets as is, but we can use them in our unique designs. Another free site, Pexels. Let's search for pirate ship once again. Lots of images. If we want to download them, as on other sites, we just pick the size and download selected file. Pexels also offers videos, so if you are going to use them on YouTube, for example, you are also free to use them. Quick tip, guys, the full list of free image sites, including all the ones that I'm presenting in this video and many more, is available in my Skool community. I included links to all the licenses for all the pages, so just click the link in the description to join for free. Next on our list is Unsplash. Let's search for pirate ship, and what is important here, they have both paid and free collections. As you can see, there is a license dropdown. If we pick Unsplash Plus, it means that it will give us the search results that contain paid images. So let's have a look. If I go into this image, as you can see, the download is blocked because this is a part of paid plan. So if you want to search for free images only, just pick free license, and all the pictures here will be free to use. As you can see, I'm able to download that picture. Kaboompics. If we search for pirate ship here, we won't find any results. This collection contains different kinds of pictures, so have a look at the categories. There is lifestyle, nature, food and drink, technology, business and office. If you look for this kind of pictures, you will find lots of them. Let's check food and drink, and you can download them for free. Next up is ISO Republic. This collection focuses also on high quality pictures in business, travel, animals, people, technology, city categories. A lot of pictures free to use. On particular item, there is a link for the license, so check if you are free to use the content here, download the license, and you're free to use all of these amazing pictures. That's it for this video. Remember to join our Skool community. See you there!